For homeowners with expansive driveways, keeping an eye on things can be a challenge. Traditional security systems often don't offer the reach needed, leaving those precious front yard meters vulnerable. This is where the xsense driveway alarm comes in, a solar-powered and wireless solution designed specifically for long and winding driveways. Recently, we got our hands on this, and we cannot wait to share our experience with you guys. Let's just get into it right away. The xsense driveway alarm arrived in a compact and sturdy package, containing the device itself, a mounting bracket, a micro USB cable, and a user manual. We were immediately impressed by the device's sleek and modern design, with its matte black casing and subtle LED indicator. It felt solid in our hands, exuding a sense of quality and reliability. Also, it comes with a separate SBS 50 base station, which you will need to run the device. Connecting the xsense driveway alarm to the smartphone was a simple process. We simply downloaded the xsense app, following the on-screen prompts. The app guided us through every step, from adding the base station to pairing the motion sensor. The driveway alarm offers versatile mounting options. Thanks to the included bracket, we could easily secure it to a wall, fence post, tree, or any other flat surface without hassle. The 33-foot detection radius ensured it could cover the entirety of our long driveway, ensuring that we wouldn't miss a thing. Once installed, the xsense driveway alarm transformed our long driveway into a secure zone. The motion sensor precisely detected the movements of people, cars, and even large animals within a 33-foot radius. The impressive wireless range between the alarm and base station ensured that we received instant push notifications on our phones, no matter where we were. The ability to customize settings is pretty impressive. We've fine-tuned the sensor sensitivity to strike the perfect balance between minimizing false alarms and never missing a visitor. The app also includes great personalization features, allowing us to adjust the volume and notification frequency and even choose our own chime melody for alerts. These thoughtful features empower us to tailor the xsense driveway alarm to our unique needs and preferences, making it feel like an extension of our home security rather than just a standalone device. The xsense driveway alarm's solar-powered design is a game-changer. No more worrying about replacing batteries or running out of power. 2000 mAh sealed, rechargeable battery ensures uninterrupted operation, boasting a lifespan of 3 to 4 years on a full charge, with an average of 20 activations per day. That's a security you can count on. The IP65 weatherproof rating and wide operating temperature range, -10 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, further enhance the xsense driveway alarm's reliability. It's even capable of withstanding the harshest weather conditions, all thanks to the IP65 ratings. Also, the ASA casing and silicone seals prevent aging and fading due to sunlight and UV rays, ensuring lasting performance and a crisp, modern appearance. Now, diving into the xsense driveway alarm has been nothing short of a revelation. At first glance, you might dismiss it as just another driveway alert, but hold on, it's a game changer for home security enthusiasts. This gadget isn't content with being a one-trick pony. It transforms into a full-blown security maestro, capable of extending its watchful eye across the entire homestead. What caught our attention is the base station, which plays conductor, harmonizing with up to 50 xsense devices. Door sensors, window sensors, motion detectors. It's like assembling our own security squad. The customization is where this system shines, and tailoring it to our exact needs and preferences was convenient as well. The xsense driveway alarm isn't just a security device, it's a security experience. It redefines what we expect from these systems, making it clear that comprehensive home protection is the new standard. If you're serious about security, this is your cue to level up with the xsense driveway alarm. Throughout our testing period, the xsense driveway alarm performed flawlessly. The motion detection was accurate and reliable, triggering alerts for pedestrians, cars, and even large animals within the 33-foot range. The loud 100 dB alarm effectively deterred unwanted visitors and alerted us to any potential threats. For homeowners with long driveways seeking a reliable and user-friendly security solution, the xsense driveway alarm is an excellent choice. Its combination of solar-powered operation, long battery life, real-time notifications, customizable settings, An expandable system makes it a valuable addition to any home security system. Whether you want to keep an eye on deliveries, monitor visitors, or simply deter trespassers, the xsense driveway alarm ensures a sense of security. Its affordable price point and ease of use make it a compelling option for homeowners of all levels of technical expertise. If you're looking to protect your long driveway and enhance your home security, look no further than the xsense driveway alarm.